Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here at Rite Aid because they are having an unbelievable sale. Guys, it is unbelievable what's going on in their laundry aisle. And then when you pile that deal on top of the spend $60, get $15 back in bonus cash. Oh, it's like savings heaven. So go ahead and get your phones out so you could do some screenshots, get your pencil and paper out so you could take some notes, so you can put your scenarios together, because you do not want to miss this one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit the subscription button, hit the bell next to it. That way you don't miss out on any notifications anytime I put up a new video. And guys, let's get ready to say. Okay guys, so if you come into the laundry aisle, you're going to see that just about a lot of the P&G products are 50% off. So I'm going to show you some. So here is the Tide with Oxy. See, that is that size. 50% off, $9.99, bringing up $4.99. Let me give you the UPC. Okay. And then it's also the Tide with Febreze, and this one is the 46 ounce. That's the 37 ounce. This is the 46 ounce. Same price, $9.99, 50% off, $4.99. And here is the UPC for that. Then the Tide with Downy's also 46 ounce, 50% off, same price. Let me give you this UPC. Okay, so those are the liquids. Now let me show you the pods. So the pods are the 16 count, so it's the blue bag and the purple bag. Both of them are $7.59, 50% off, which brings them down to $3.79. Let me show you the UPC for this. So there's that UPC. Then UPC for the purple one. Here's that. Okay. So those are the pods that are on clearance. Now, let's go down to the dryer sheets. So these dryer sheets are only 25% off. They may be 50, I don't know. And I can't ring any up because there's none there. But these, the Bounce dryer sheets 40 count, $7.49, 50% off. Those come down to $3.74. And let me show you the UPC. Actually, no, it's not the 40 count. These are in the wrong place here. These are the 40 count. That's those, okay? It's these, the 105, okay? And here is the UPC for that. And then here's the Wrinkle Guard, $6.99, 50% off. $3.49. It's the 50 sheets. Let me show you the UPC for that. Okay, and then they have this huge box of Bounce, the 120 count, and these are $13.99, 50% off, $6.99. And let me show you the UPC for that. Hold on. Okay, there's that. All right, now let's go to the Downy Unstoppables. So I'm not sure. Only ones I see marked are the purple ones. I'm not sure about these, but I'm going to go with the purple anyway. I like that scent anyway. They're $7.69, 50% off, $3.84. Here is the UPC for that. So now I'm going to put my deal together, and just to let you guys know, I've been hearing that everyone's been having trouble with the P&G coupons. Some of them ringing up, some of them are not. So I'm going to let you know which ones ring up. So I'm not going to get the smaller bottles. I'm going to get these bigger bottles. So I'm going to get 4 of these. Okay, 4. Oh, good. They have 4 Febreze. That's exactly what I want. So I'm going to get 4 of the Febreze. Then I'm going to get 4 of the pods. And it's so funny. That's all they have left of the pods is 4. So goody goody for me. Okay, so we have to get up to $60, guys. So now I'm going to grab 4 of the Downies. The Downy Unstoppables. And I'm going to grab 3 of the dryer sheets. The Bounce dryer sheets. Okay? And that should bring us to a little over $60. Okay? So we're going to head up to the register. First, I'm going to spread everything out and show you guys what I'm getting. And then we'll head up to the register, see how much our total is, and see which coupons work. And then I will show you guys my receipt so that you know exactly what to get, what not to get, what coupons to use, and what coupons not to use. Okay, guys, so this is what all I'm going to grab. I'm going to grab the 4 liquids, the 4 pods, the 4 Downy Unstoppables, and the 3 boxes of Bounce. So now we're going to head up to the register. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car. Everything went great. It is an incredible deal. So just to let you guys know so that you don't get confused, because I got confused a little bit while I was in the store and then I had to remember. So only the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid is part of the spend 30, get $10 back in bonus cash. The dryer sheets and the Downy Unstoppables are not included. But I still got it because it's still an unbelievable price. All right, so let's go over what we did. And, you know, you guys could separate this stuff out to mix and match other stuff. I just wanted to grab all the clearance stuff or markdown stuff as quickly as possible because there were other people in the store and they didn't have much left, and I wanted to make sure that I could get some. All right, so here's the Bounce dryer sheets, the 105 count. You see they were 50% off, regularly $7.49. They came to $3.74. And the dollar coupon works on that, okay? So you see I got 3 of those. Then the Downy Unstoppables were $7.69, 50% off, $3.84. The $2 Downy coupon works on those. And then I got the Tide 20 count pods, which were $7.59, 50% off. They come to $3.79. Only the dollar coupon works on those. The $2 doesn't, and the $3 doesn't. Only the dollar. Then I got the Tide Liquid, which was regularly $9.99 and on sale for $4.99. Only the $2 coupon works on those. And what's so funny about that, guys, I even had them scan the dollar one, and the dollar one didn't work. So I don't know what's going on with the P&G coupons, but that's so that you know what coupons work on what. So my total was $38.70, and I used bonus cash to pay most of it. And then I used $35 in bonus cash to pay the $38.70. Guys, remember, we don't discuss tax or any of that, okay? So then I got back $25 in bonus cash. So that means that this cost me $13.70. Let me show you how I got the bonus cash. So I got back the $15 for the circular barcode, and then I got back the $10 for the Procter & Gamble, and you see that I'm still tracking to be able to do it again. So I still have $5.11 to be able to do it again. Now, don't forget to submit your receipt to P&G Good Every Day. I'll put the link in the description box because you'll get back 50 points for each Procter & Gamble product you purchase, up to 250 points per receipt. So, of course, you know, I'm going to get the max because I have, 15 items on here. So I'm not going to get 50 points for all of them, but I will get $2.50. I mean, 250 points for this receipt. And then you use those points to get different gift cards and things. So I will put the link in the description box for you guys to sign up. But come back and let me know if you were able to find any of the deals. Let me know what scents you got, what sizes you got. And until the next time, keep on saving.